Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Since the festive season is on, I'm going to make you and show you how to make a very simple dessert which is called the Gulab Jamun Panna Cotta. Now in a bowl, what we're going to do for the panna cotta is we're going to put in some milk and I'm going to add some gelatin in the milk. It's about 3 grams of gelatin. Just going to mix this so it dissolves. Once your gelatin has dissolved, then just put this aside and then take some fresh cream and sugar. In a pan, I'm going to add the fresh cream and castor sugar. Now you have to mix this well and bring it to a boil. Like it should be hot. Take the milk and the gelatin and add it to your mixture here. So you let this mix for about a minute. Let it boil for about a minute. Just basically let it cool down. So I have gulab jamuns which I'm going to slice 4 of them into 4 pieces. Now I take fancy glass and I place the gulab jamun at the bottom. You can put them any way you like. Then I'm going to pour this mixture on top. And once it's a little cooler, I'm going to put it in the fridge to set. So now 2 hours later, my panna cotta has set and now I'm just going to garnish this with gulab jamuns on top. There you have it. Your gulab jamun panna cotta is served. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet delicious recipe for a Gulab Jamun Panna Cotta. Do not forget to try this at home. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy and fun recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. Till then, you enjoy the holidays. Take care. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. So the festive season is on and it's time to make some mithai. So I'm going to show you a very easy recipe of a coconut barfi, or you can call it a coconut laddu. You'll need grated coconut, or if you go to the market, they basically call it bura. So you get coconut bura and put it in a bowl. Then the best ingredient, condensed milk. Now I have chopped some almonds. I'm going to throw that in and mix this all together. Taste it. If you feel that it needs more sugar, you can add more condensed milk to it. You know what this smells like? It smells like the inside of a Bounty chocolate. Now take it out and mold this in any shape that you like. Make it like a laddu. I don't want it like a laddu, so I'm just going to make it into a little square. Or make each barfi into a different shape, basically. Then you just put it in the refrigerator to chill. If you have the bakery cutters, then you can just get precise shapes and you can send this as a Diwali present. So I've just cut slivers of almond, which I'm going to place on top as the guard. Hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode. Till then, you take care and have a good holiday season. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Happy Holi guys! It's Holi and what happens on Holi? We all drink bhang. So This is the episode where I teach you how to make the perfect thandai for a perfect Holi. Pistachios, some almonds, some cashews, some walnut. Now to this, I'm going to add a little bit of milk and just that much so that it blends. Some more milk is going to go in so that it's properly grinded. Yeah, so once that is done, it doesn't really have to be properly fine. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this thandai syrup. And now our final and the most important ingredient this Holi, which is bhang. So please be cautious while you add this nasty ingredient, because the more you add, the happier your Holi will be, or not. We don't know, you can't tell. So just be very careful while handling this stuff. Wow, that's really strong. I think I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Ready, get, set, go. And I'm hoping this is done. Smells lovely, looks also nice. All this needs is some ice and chilling, and this drink is ready to be served. So now on top of this, I'm going to add slivers of almond. There you go. Okay guys, so this is now ready, and do try this at home. And kids, if you're watching this, do not try this at home because this is not for you. So having said that, hope you guys have a great Holi, and see you soon in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care, and I will see you soon.